First, get an old hard disk that you don't care about anymore. Use a hex wrench to remove the screws. Now you'll be able to see the guts of the drive. You've got the hard platters where the data is stored, hence the name hard disk, and you've got the heads which move around to read the data. Connected to the head assembly, you're going to see this flexible cable, and we're going to remove the screws of the flex circuit that it's attached to. Flip this thing over and either tape it down or glue it in place. Be careful to not break the flexible cable. Next, get out your multimeter and set it to measure resistance, and look for a resistance of around 4 to 40 ohms between any 2 points on the connector. This means you've found the connection to the hard drive's voice coil. Solder some thin and flexible wire to those connection points, and double check the resistance is still in the correct range. My coil is around 12 ohms. Now, if you connect those wires to a 5-volt power source, you should see the heads jump. The next step is to connect your hard drive speaker to an amplified audio source. The key word here is amplified. You don't want to hook this up to your phone or laptop's headphone jack. Find an old amplifier that's used to drive actual speakers, or you can browse my other videos if you want to learn how to make your own. Slowly turn up the volume and... So how does it work? Well, you can tell your friends it's magic, but the real answer is under here. If we unscrew this, you can see that we have a coil of wire attached to the drive's head, and that's right next to a strong magnet. In other words, we have a system very similar to a normal loudspeaker, which raises the question, how does a speaker work? Well, let's say we have a magnet, and it has a north and south pole. Then let's say we have a coil of wire next to it. And let's attach something mechanical to it. It could be a speaker cone or it could be a hard drive head. If we pass an electric current through the coil, it creates a magnetic field around it. The coil's south pole gets attracted to the magnet's north pole, and the speaker moves. Now if we change the direction of the electric current, we change the direction of the magnetic field. Now we have two north poles next to each other, and they're going to push each other away, so the speaker moves in the other direction. If we do this with an amplified audio signal, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, check out my other videos about electronics.